Service in Lake Charles has issued a special marine warning for Atchafalaya and East Coast Blanche Bays. Coastal waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Lower Atchafalaya River to Intercoastal City, Louisiana out 20 nautical miles. Vermilion and West Coast Blanche Bays. Waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Lower Atchafalaya River to Intercoastal City, Louisiana from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 5:45 p.m. Central
Bro, how many
Daylight
more
Time.
marine warnings, bro?
4:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Vermilion 31 to near Vermilion 149 to near Vermilion 245, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include South Marsh Island 239, South Marsh Island 23, Marsh Island, South Marsh Island 69, Eugene Island 243, South Marsh Island 236, South Marsh Island 61, Eugene Island 206, Eugene Island 129, Vermilion 215, Vermilion 214, Vermilion 256, Vermilion 31, Vermilion 250, Vermilion 252, Vermilion 131, Eugene Island 175, Vermilion 171, South Marsh Island 27, and Eugene Island 42. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible.
Keep. They hit the 2-minute limit.